Hi everyone, this is Akash, and today I'll show you how to install MeTube on your UGREEN NAS. With MeTube, you can paste any YouTube video or playlist URL. Click on download, and it will download using YTDLP. Very easy to use. If this is a more of a one-time setup, so if you want to just download once, then this works beautifully. If you want a more automated approach, for example, if you want any video to be downloaded the moment it becomes available within your channel, then you will have to use something called as a tube archivist, and I'll be covering that in the next tutorial. Okay, so it's MeTube now. We'll use this compose file. Go to Docker projects, Docker project, click a new project and paste. Let me explain this YAML file because this is a small YAML file, so I can explain it to you. This is the image we will use, the container name, our restart policy, port is forwarded, so you will access it on 8081 port. Volume, here what I've done is I've given a volume name download. This will become available in the same directory. So within the shared folder docker YT, you will have a directory called downloads, which will have all the downloads. This environment we have to change. So my PUID is 1000. I'll use 1000 and my group ID is 10, so I'll use it here. Download mode will keep it to limited, and max concurrent downloads is the number of downloads that you want simultaneously to occur. So 5 videos will simultaneously be downloaded. Output template, this makes it easier because we are going to create directories. So if you have a single video, then it will be saved under a directory which will be named on the uploader, and then under the directory you will have the title. For playlist, we are going to use playlist as the folder. Within the playlist folder, you will have your title. These are some extra options that you can skip if you want to, but I like to keep them. First option is the format. We want we can select it here if you want quality and format, but I like to set them here that we want the best video and extension will be always MP4, and the output format we want it to be MP4 so that I don't want any WMV file or any other file. I want it to be merged in MP4 format, and this is your rate limit. Rate limit is useful if you want to throttle your download limits. So this is in bytes. This 1048576 is equivalent to 1 MB. This 1 MB will be per video. So since I have got 5 videos downloading concurrently, I'm saying that each video could have 1 MB limit. So my total download limit will be 5 MB per second. Okay, this is it. Let's click on deploy. This is created. Okay, let's access it. Go to container, MeTube, and access it. All right, now I can enter any video here. Click on download. All right, it's downloading the video. Speed, it's not exceeding 1020, 1025. It's respecting the speed limit that we gave it. Once it's downloaded, you will see that this will go into Docker YT downloads. See, this is the uploader name. Under the uploader name, this is saved as an MP4 file. So this is it. If you have any questions, any comments, anything, then you can feel free to ask them, and I'll come back to you like I always do. Thank you.